What are constructors?
Constructors are special methods in object-oriented programming used to create and initialize new objects. Whenever you make a new instance of a class, the constructor runs automatically. Its primary role is to set up the initial state of an object, ensuring that all its variables have proper values before you start using it. Constructors form the foundation for reliable, organized object creation.
How constructors work.
When you create an object, the constructor allocates memory and assigns values to its properties. In many languages, such as Java, C++, and Python, the constructor can accept arguments. These arguments provide the initial data each instance needs. If no arguments are given, a default constructor is used, often assigning standard values to each property.
Types of constructors.
There are usually two main types of constructors: default constructors and parameterized constructors. A default constructor takes no arguments and sets default values. A parameterized constructor accepts data to initialize the object's properties. This allows you to create objects with custom starting values, making your code more flexible and powerful.
Why constructors matter.
Constructors are crucial for data consistency and integrity. By ensuring each object starts in a valid state, constructors help prevent programming errors and unexpected behavior. They allow for cleaner code, improved readability, and make it easier to manage complex systems by handling initialization all in one place.
Best practices for constructors.
Keep constructors simple and focused. Avoid putting complex logic or side effects in them. Only use them for setting essential properties and preparing the object for use. If a class has multiple ways to be initialized, you can use multiple constructors with different parameters, a technique called constructor overloading. This keeps your code clear and maintainable,